First, we'll open the glove box. Once the glove box is opened, notice on the right side there is that damper that needs to be pulled out. The best way to take it out is just to grab it and then push it downwards. There it is. Once the damper is out, notice on the right side there is that pointer holding on to the glove box, and there's a similar pointer also on the other side of the glove box as well. So what we will do is we'll have to pull out both of those pointers one by one. Once both of those pointers are pulled out, then we'll go ahead and take out the glove box completely. Notice behind the glove box there's that cover that we have to pull out. Cover has a tab on the right side, so we have to press that tab and then pull it out. Similar tab is on the other side as well. Press that tab and then take out the cover. Once the cover is out, right there is our cabin air filter. We'll just grab the filter and then slide it outwards. And that is how we take out the cabin air filter for this car. In my case, the filter has some 1,000 more kilometers left, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure at the front there are 2 arrow signs right there. Make sure that arrow signs are at the front and they are pointing towards downwards. Now we'll go ahead and punch this filter back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left side first. Once the left side is completely in, then we punch in the right side, and then we'll just slide the filter all the way down. Once the filter is all the way in, only then we'll go ahead and punch in the cover. Notice the plastic cover also has 2 arrow signs, one right here and the other one right there. Make sure those 2 arrows are at the front and also pointing towards downwards. We'll go ahead and punch in the cover, making sure both sides tabs are completely in. Cover is in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this glove box. Notice on the left side there is this anchor shaped plastic cover coming out from here, and on the other side notice there's one more right there. That has to go in that spot right there, and then the other spot right here. I'll punch in the left side cover first, just like that. Once the left side is completely in, now we'll jump onto the other side and make sure the cover is completely in. Once both the sides are completely in, only then we will hold the glove box from the middle and then lift up the glove box until both the pointers are completely in. There, we also got both the tabs completely in. Now it's the time to punch in that damper right there. So what we'll do is we'll grab the damper and then bring it to a point where it was before. Once in position, then we will just pull it until it completely goes in. Damper is in. Now we are good to close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.